So just recently, I wanted to do a lot of work on my 2005 Nissan Sentra, which is just our daily driver, to do some good maintenance on it. So we did an oil change, spark plugs, timing belt, stuff like that. And I wanted to replace the transmission pan gasket as well as the automatic transmission filter. I didn't really see a lot of information online about it, and I've done a lot of maintenance myself throughout the years, and so I figured I'd take this one into my own hands, and I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. Needless to say, I learned very, very quickly that the automatic transmission filter is actually not supposed to be replaced. It's not a serviceable item, and Nissan actually doesn't recommend you replace it for the life of the vehicle. Now, this is a problem because AutoZone and other manufacturers make this part available to purchase, and so as a consumer you think it's supposed to be replaceable. And let me elaborate a little bit on why it's not supposed to be replaced. So it's not that you can't do it, but the task is a very, very daunting one. And so if you think about typical transmission filters, you just get under the get access to the transmission through the pan itself. So you'll take out the pan first, and you'll visibly notice the actual filter there. The problem is not actually accessing the filter, but the problem is once you loosen it up, there is a nut on the opposite end of the valve body that loosens once you take out the automatic trans filter. That's a problem, because if you want to just change the automatic transmission filter, you now have to you now have to pull out the entire valve body, which is a much larger job than what you had anticipated. So if you're gonna ask me, I would recommend either get ready for a full task at hand in a few hours of work if you're handy, or don't replace your transmission filter. I wanted to make this very quick video because I feel like there's not a lot of information out there about it, and so hopefully this helps somebody from getting into the mess I got myself in. So like I said, don't replace the transmission filter unless you've got a lot of time on your hands and you want to take out the valve body and find the 2 or 3 nuts that are underneath supporting it, and just make sure you do regular maintenance, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, if you thought it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you want more content on the Daily Driver Sentra, write in the comment below what you guys want to see. And if you like cars, subscribe, because that's all I'm going to cover here on this channel. So thank you guys again. We'll see you next time.